This is your LDV D90 steering wheel. This button here is your cruise control button. Turn that to set your cruise control functions to ready. This won't actually enable the cruise control, however. You enable the cruise control by pressing set when you reach your desired speed. You can then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the speed when in cruise. This button here adjusts the distance that your vehicle will maintain between you and the vehicle in front of you. This is indicated by these yellow bars down there. When there are 3 yellow bars, that means your vehicle will maintain the maximum distance between you and the vehicle in front. When you want to stop your cruise control, all you do is press that button there, and that deactivates the cruise control. Give it a go on a safe, clear space of motorway. It's actually easier than it seems.